This is Nurse Dadak again. Tonight I'm gonna be making Buchi by Nurse Dadak. These are the ingredients: sesame seeds, oil, sesame seeds, not oil, water, glutinous rice, and the citrus oil, the citrus essential oil. Focus, citrus essential oil. Okay. And the filling for my buchi is called purple yam, the famous purple yam. Let me wash my hands real quick. You can buy this glutinous rice from the Asian market in your local Asian market. You just look for glutinous rice. This is glutinous rice flour. Glutinous rice flour. Okay, to start with, gloves. This is 15 grams of glutinous rice. I have a weighing scale. I weighed it earlier. See there? Done. Put your water a little bit at a time. And then like that. Mix it, mix. So it becomes like a dough. Mix and mix. Okay, now you mix. The cooking nurse is here. Okay, this takes a little bit of time. So I already have one that's prepared earlier. Okay, so you don't have to watch me doing this too long. It takes your time. Go put away this one. That's how you do it. And I have one that's already pre-made. Okay, this is pre-made and I already have it. And I also have a pre-made that's already done. I weighed it earlier, so I don't have to weigh while we are talking. This is 20 grams of glutinous rice. This is 20 grams, and each one of this one is 5 grams. So 20 grams of glutinous rice and 5 grams of purple yam. So now we have to make a ball of the glutinous rice. See, this is 20 grams. Make it a ball like that. Oh, it's dry. It got dried from the fan. So anyway, while you're listening to me, you know I was a nurse. And then, I'm not from America. Can you tell? I'm not from United States of America. So, when I was new as a nurse in America, I'll tell you something. You just have to listen to me while I'm doing this, okay? Got dried from the fan. I was using the fan, it's hot. So, while I was new in America, I was doing an admission. You know admission? You ask questions to your patient. One day, I was asking a question and I said, you know, how old are you? Where you're from? And did you bring any belongings with you? He goes, yeah. It's right there. So this is how you do it, okay? Press in the bottom like that, in the middle, and put your filling like that, And then you close it like that. Close it. Don't show the purple yam like that. Okay, make it into a ball again. Ta-da! And then roll it here in the sesame seeds. Make sure it sticks together with the sesame seeds. You go like that. And then save it. We'll do it again one more time. So I was doing that. He said he has no belonging. He has belongings. I said, where are they? He's homeless. So he has backpack. So I said, okay, what do you have in your backpack? He said, I have clothes, pants, like that. I said, to make sure that he's not telling a lie, I said, can I see? And he said, yeah, but be careful. I have crabs. So I said, are they alive? Are they cooked? He said, I just came from jail. I said, yeah, but I want to know if it's gonna hurt me, it's gonna bite me, pinch me, or it's cooked. He said, send somebody here. So I sent somebody in there. Come to find out, he needs to be in isolation. And that's the story of the night. Here, the second one is right here. Right here. So that's what, when I was new here, I didn't know what crabs was. But this one, I know what this is. This is Buchi. B-U-C-H-I-E. Roll it in your sesame seeds. Round and round and round. Like that. Okay, not too much. Two, that should be enough. One more time. By the time I finish the third one, you should be expert on doing the buchi, okay? This is so easy. Look, that's too much. 26, no, 20 grams. One more time. There's 20. Okay. Roll it, make it like a bowl like that. Pinch it in the middle like that. Middle. And then put your 5 grams of filling, whatever filling you want. I have purple yam. Close it like that. I know. Close it. Roll it again. And put it there. Like that. And then roll it on your hand again. So, I've got to tell you, so you put your water here in your 15 grams of glutinous rice, water, and then mix it. And then you put 6 drops of citrus essential oil. Make sure it's the vitality, that way it's okay to ingest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, okay, so I'll just set that aside, I'll do that later. So I have made 3 balls. I'm sure you're very good at making the balls now. I'll make it. I'll fry it. Come on to my kitchen. It's like about 2 minutes, I think. Should be done. Right there. Fry it to the moon. You know, my cameraman is Bruce.
Hello.
he likes my cooking. And once you see it's like golden brown, make it like a little bit golden, because then if it's not so golden, the sesame seeds are not cooked well. This is what you see in the Chinese restaurant, but their Buchi has no essential oil. Mine is perfect, has essential oil. You know, essential oil, citrus essential oil, it's good for your immune system and also makes you happy. It's uplifting. Ta-da! Use the organic coconut oil, okay? The organic coconut oil when you fry your buchi. B-U-C-H-I. Buchi. It's cooked. Ta-da! See? It's golden brown. Right there. And turn off your stove when you're done. You don't forget that. It's 3. I love you. That's it for the night. I hope you enjoy. Bye. This is Nurse Direct. See you next week.